everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial piece of tech that keeps your essential devices running smoothly: the Xzrucst AC-DC adapter, specifically designed for models like the Canon image formula P-215II, 9705B007, P-215, and M111131 document scanners. This isn't just any power adapter. It's a compact and remarkably efficient solution for seamless power connectivity. One of its standout features is its impressive voltage compatibility. It effortlessly takes the standard 10240V input and converts it precisely to meet the specific power requirements of your devices, ensuring they receive exactly what they need without any fuss. When it comes to construction, this power adapter truly impresses. It features a sturdy build, crafted from high-quality materials that promise both durability and long-lasting performance. This isn't a flimsy accessory that will give out after a few uses. It's built to withstand the rigors of daily life. Its sleek design also makes it incredibly easy to carry around. For anyone who travels frequently or needs to move their scanner between locations, its portability makes it an ideal companion, slipping easily into a bag without adding bulk. Safety is, of course, paramount when dealing with electronics, and the Xzrucst adapter doesn't cut corners here. It includes built-in surge protection, a vital feature that actively safeguards your valuable electronics from unexpected power fluctuations and surges. This provides a significant layer of peace of mind, knowing your Canon scanner or other compatible devices are protected. Speaking of compatibility, while it's a perfect match for the Canon image formula scanners mentioned, its universal design means it's also suitable for a variety of other devices. The manufacturer advises checking the listing to ensure your specific model is covered, but it's designed to power everything from PCs and tablets to monitors, speakers, and printers. Finally, for those who prioritize reliability, this power adapter adheres to strict safety standards. It has undergone rigorous testing and is certified to meet all relevant industry regulations, guaranteeing stable and dependable power delivery every single time. You can truly experience seamless power connectivity with this top-of-the-line adapter, staying powered up and connected with absolute confidence. It's a solid investment for anyone looking for a reliable and safe power solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.